friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Tron TRX crypto in a market of cryptocurrencies. What's the price change occur in a TRX crypto in the last 1 hour, in the 2 hour, what's the high price of TRX, I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button right now and complete my TRX subscriber. If you listen my voice, please don't ignore my words, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected. As you can see here, the 2 hour result of the TRX crypto absolutely good, as you can see. And at the start of 2 hours they are falling down, but currently they are start jumping very high. They take a high jump in the last 2 hours, as you can see here. But unfortunately, if we see the currently situation of TRX crypto at this position, so they are now currently fast down. Their dumping time starts now. So if you are a holder of TRX crypto, so my suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss, because it is a starting of dumping. Maybe they are fast down and more in the future. Maybe they are goes up in the future, but now currently they are starting the dumping. So it's a big chance to sell it. My suggestion, that's only my suggestion. Please share your opinion in a comment box. Is it the best time to sell it? Is it the best time to buy it? Or is it the best time to hold it? As you can see here, the changes in the last 2 hours is positive 1.24% change occur in the last 2 hours, and the high price of TRX crypto is about $0.072606 is the high price of TRX crypto in the last 2 hours. Now let's see what's the price prediction of TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour. As I told you in the start of this video, now currently they are in the falls, as you can see here. Now currently they start dumping at this time, as you can see here. That is the currently situation of TRX crypto. Now the previous last 1 hour they take a jump, but currently I think they are falls down in the future. So my suggestion, as that said it, and be safe from loss. What's your opinion? Share in the comment box. As you can see here, the change is positive 3.83% shares occur in the last 1 hour, and the high price of TRX crypto is about $0.072449 is the high price of TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour. So that's the live price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hours. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency.